Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear students. Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome to you, dear students, in the virtual learning system, Pakistan International School, Taif. Dear students, we are going to start the chapter number 4. This is grade 10, subject Pakistan study. Chapter number 4, Population, Society and Culture of Pakistan. This is lecture number 11 and I am Muhammad Yunus. Dear students, the topics we will study in this chapter, the most important, that is major features of Pakistani society and culture. First of all, we will study we will discuss about the culture. Okay, what is meant by culture? What is the definition of the culture? And what type of the culture of Pakistan is? So we will discuss about the meaning of the culture. Meaning of culture, the identity of a country is due to its culture. When the people of a nation live together for a long period of time, then they have the following similar points: mutual values, traditions, and customs, local laws, entertainments, sports, arts, and rules of community life. These aspects make a nation different and distinct from other nations. Simply, we can say our all activities of the life makes the culture. So, culture is the, you can say, identity of a nation also. Culture is the identity of a country also. Culture shows your habits, your behavior, your customs, your traditions, and all those aspects which you want to show, and you are also recognized by the your own culture, to which community you belong to. According to the Edward Taylor, he was an anthropologist who studied the culture and defined that culture is related to all types of knowledge and arts, laws and beliefs, traditions and the customs. It is also related to the thoughts and the actions of humans. From this, we can say that culture cannot, you can say, produced in one day. It takes a long time. It has a very old history. Culture is also a whole and it expands due to the international and uninternational nations of the people living in area. In this way, their beliefs, customs, and traditions, knowledge and arts, laws and social behaviors are included in it. The notable characteristics of Pakistani culture we will study. And in very simple way, we can say all the activities of your life shows your culture. If I explain that all your activities from birth to death, all the that's the part of your life is also a part of the your culture. And it is also the, you can say, traditions, customs, beliefs, laws of a specific people of a on the specific areas, a group of people on a specific areas, that is known as the culture. And Pakistani culture have the some different characteristics, properties, or in other way we can say the salient features. We will study one by one major features of Pakistani cultures, or we can say the major characteristics of the Pakistani culture, and what type of the Pakistani culture is that. Number one, social values. What type of the social values of Pakistani peoples are? In all the provinces and the areas of Pakistan, excellent and distinctive social values are found. Respect for elders, love for the young, and showing respect for women are our values. People share each other's grief and joy. In rural areas, elders solve many disputes at the local level. So these are the social values of the Pakistani peoples. They respect the elders, young ones, laws, and saying of the elders. Number two, foods. Different areas of Pakistan have different food preferences. In Punjab and Sindh, vegetables, pulses, meat, and rice are favorite. In Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, people eat meat, dry and fresh fruit, wheat, barley, and rice. For drinker, people prefer milk and laban. In Punjab, in Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, people prefer green tea. Half a century back, Sajji and Kadai Gosht were dishes limited to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and northern area. Sajji is the, you can say, like here the mandi. We can say a combination of the rice and the wheat. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the northern Punjab. Now these dishes are appreciated from Peshawar to Karachi and Quetta. Pakistani people enjoy eating meat also. So this type of the food Pakistan likes in the different areas, different provinces have the different taste. Number three, religious uniformity. When saints spread Islam in the subcontinent, many people embraced Islam. At the present time, there is religious uniformity in Pakistan. Pakistan's most important recognition is Islam, even while there are regional, provincial, lingual, racial, and the other bases. And the main religion is the Islam, and all the people have the uniformity. They give comparatively little importance to the caste and the creed, color and the race, and the regional classes. And with respect to Islam, all the peoples are same. The Constitution of Pakistan gives complete protection to the minorities. Along with religious uniformity in Pakistan, there is religious tolerance as well. And Pakistan Islam gives the protection to the peoples who are very less numbers in the country, and they are known as the minorities. So, the mixed culture. Pakistani culture is a mixed culture. In the past, people who settled in area which now comprises Pakistan came from different areas. Whichever group came, it brought with it its customs, traditions, festivals, dress, food, and style of living. These groups had an influence on each other, and a mixed culture emerged. You can say this area, you can say once a time, Awada, you can say a combination of the different peoples coming from different areas, and in the result, the culture produced that is also known as the mixed culture. Next characteristic, that is the dress. Pakistani dress are made keeping in mind climatic and religious needs. In the rural areas of Punjab, men wears dhoti, kurta, shalwar, kameez, and turban. These are the dresses of the people living in the rural areas. They wear according to their own traditions and the customs. Women like to wear dupatta, shalwar, and kurta. In urban areas, shalwar kameez, pant, and coat, sherwani, and waistcoat are preferred. A baggy shalwar with many folds is preferred in Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Sindh. Women like to wear embroidered clothes on the occasion of wedding. The bridal dresses are very beautiful. Next characteristic of the Pakistani culture, that is fairs and urses are celebrated on the tombs or the shrines of the Sufis or the different occasions, because in this area Sufis and the saint did work too much for the preaching of Islam. Fakirs and the urses reflect our culture also. The urses of the great saint Hazrat Data Ganj Baksh Ali Hajweri in Lahore, Hazrat Fariduddin Shakarganj in Pakpatan, Hazrat Shah Rukn Alam Multan, Bahauddin Zukriya Multan, Hazrat Madulal Hussain Lahore, and there are many other. Hazrat Sarmast in Sindh, Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai in Sindh also. The annual celebrations are done on their shrines once a year. Next is sports. Sports is also the part of Pakistani culture. Pakistani team of cricket, hockey, and squash are world famous. The tournaments of different sports are held at district, division, provincial, and the national level. Polo is extremely popular in Gilgit and the northern area. Polo is also a game which played with the help of the uh, different, you can say, sport tools. Next, the religious festivals are also celebrated in Pakistan. Like Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of the Ramadan and thanks for God. And the Eid al-Azha also celebrated in the, you can say, month of Zulhajjah, 10th Zulhajj. And similarly, there are other celebration, Eid Miladun Nabi on 12th Rabiul Awwal, Shab-e Maraj, Shab-e Barat, all these are the celebrated in their own dates. And similarly, Yom Ashura is also celebrated on 10th Muharram, and we keep the fast of 9 or 10th or 11th. In 2 days fasting, it is Sunnah. Next, customs and the traditions. Pakistani citizens behave according to the specific customs and traditions on different occasions. Marriage is an Islamic obligation, and on a specific day, the custom of the nikah is observed. As soon as Muslim child is born, the azan is recited in his or her ear so that she realized that due to the blessing of Allah Almighty, he is born into the Muslim family. When a Muslim passes away, relative nearly dear ones and the gathered at the deceased house after namaz janaza, they deceased the buried for Isale Sawab. Quran Khani is organized. In Pakistan, all minorities have the rights to observe the customs of the marriage, death according to their own religion. Next, different arts. Some important buildings of Pakistan which are the attraction for tourists, such as Mausoleum of the Qaeda-e-Azam, Al-Falah Building in Lahore, Badshah Mosque, Shahi Killa, Wapda House, Faisal Mosque, Mosque Muhabbat Khan, and Killa of Bala Hissar, Peshawar, Quaid-e-Azam Residency Building Ziyarat, and the Killa of Kallat. Handicrafts have great importance in Pakistan. Men and women make handicrafts. Handicraft to make the things with their own hands, and the people who have the specific skill to make these goods, they are, you can say, making the handicrafts. So all these the things which are, you can say, are the properties, are the characteristics, are the salient features of our Pakistani culture. So dear students, after this we will study about the major social problems of Pakistan. Pakistan is an Islamic country, and also you can say the atomic power. In Pakistan, there are social problems. Some big social problems of Pakistan are given below. Number one, inflation. The prices of the things are increasing. The fast growing population of Pakistan is showing negative effect on its per capita income. And population is increasing day by day. Opportunities for saving are getting fewer and standard of living is falling. There are the more expenses than the incomes. Then we can say prices are increasing. This is the situation of the inflation. So this is the a major problem. Due to this, the country is going, the economy of the country is going downward. Number second, disorderly state of the health and the cleanliness in the country. Many precious lives are lost each year due to the disorderly state of health and cleanliness. Mostly people are not aware how can we can make the health ourselves, good health. So despite scientific development, people lack awareness of the rules of the good health. Maybe they have not good diet, maybe they have not proper cleanliness. So in this way, there are the more, you can say, diseases in the country, which also cause the social problems of the country. Number three, illiteracy and the ignorance. Illiteracy and ignorance are major problems faced by Pakistan. People cannot differentiate between right and wrong due to the illiteracy, and they have very less knowledge. And sometimes they did not know about anything and cannot play an important role in the economic development of the country. So this is also a big problem that people are less educated. Next, weak economy. A lot of people are unemployed because of the country's weak economy. This leads to the turmoil in the country. And due to the weak economy, the country cannot go upward. And poverty, you can say, spread in the country. So in this way, people have no chances to do the work. Next, poverty. There is a lack of appropriate employment opportunities, and due to poverty, the standard of living of the people is low. For the eradication, to finish the poverty, it is important that new employment opportunities should be created and resources should be improved. How? Okay, there must be maximum setup of the industry so that the people can get the job and their poorness can be reduced. Next, unequal distribution of the people. In the country, there are 22 families who have the more wealth. So this is the some, if the people who are the rich, they are becoming more and more rich, and who are poor, they are becoming poor and poor. So this is due to the unequal distribution of wealth. Unequal distribution of wealth leads to the rich getting rich and the poor becoming poorer. This is creating many problems. So, dear students, we can reduce all these things for the prosperity, for the development of the country, for the good economy of the country, to become a good nation. So it is very necessary to eradicate all these the problems socially. Everyone can play its own role to reduce these problems. Dear students, this is the end of the topic for today. Here is the homework. You will write the short answer. Define culture by Edward Taylor. Question number 2. Which problem arise because of overpopulation? What are the problems of the overpopulation? Long question you will do from the exercise. See the question number 1 from the exercise. That is on the page 103. You can see the answer. And question number 5, you can see the answer of this question on page number 108. Dear students, thank you for watching and goodbye.